So I already did my eyebrows and I primed my eyelids. We're not going to set our eyes. I learned that from Daisy Marquez. So I'm using the Dare to Create 39A palette. We're going to go in using this shade right here. I'm using a Morphe B81 brush. Using the E22 Morphe brush, I'm going in with this shade right here. And this one you also want to put in the crease, but make sure it doesn't go above that last color. And then using that same brush and the same color, we're just going to build it up in the crease. And just make it darker. And then going back with the first brush, I'm using this color and blending out the top. I'm just using a BH Cosmetics brush in 112. And I'm gonna wet my brush with Fix Plus in this color. Pack it on the outer corner first. And I'm using a Morphe E47 brush. I'm going in with the darker brown. And no, I'm using that same brown that we put on the outer. We're just going to deepen it up. I use a brand Italia, and it's just a liquid pencil. It's a liquid eyeliner in shade 201. It's just black. So just start off by making a line from the inner corner to the outer. So as you go further out, you can make the line just a little bit thicker. And then for the wing, I just start from where I left off and then just flick it up. Well, kind of, you'll see. I like to use this mascara. I get it in Mexico. It's Prosa. It's honestly just the best. I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Longwear Liquid Foundation in the shade 4.0. And then using the Maybelline Concealer, I'm gonna make a triangle under my eyes. And I'm using the Airspun to bake a little. I'll just grab a little bit. And then using the brush that the Hoola bronzer comes with, I'm gonna bronze up my face. And then I just go right here. Not like on my jawline, but under this part. Just so there's a shadow there. And we're also gonna highlight our brow bone. Split spray some Fix Plus all over our face. I have the coconut one and it smells so good. And now with the Morphe M501 brush. You make a little circle on my nose. And going down the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna use the Prolong lip pencil by MAC in Nice and Spicy. Then I'm gonna use Velvet Teddy by MAC. I'm gonna top it off with the MAC Lipglass in Fashion Punch. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be coming out with more videos soon.